One, two, three.
Hello everyone!
Hi, I am Casey.
I'm Marian.
I'm Marshall.
I'm Julie. And I'm Cleo.
And now, we will about to discover the various ecosystems such as grassland, marine,
Mangrove ecosystem.
marine forest.
And the freshwater ecosystem.
So, what is an ecosystem?
An ecosystem consists of a living environment and its non-living components.
In fact, we will be traveling to Bayou and Bukinawa.
And also, we are going to visit another neighboring town, the Kauswagan. Kauswagan. Ay, Kauswagan.
Tawin mo na lang part.
Balik na lang eh.
Ay, Kauswagan.